Hey, it's Cody from Hixson. Today we'll be going over the 2018 Lincoln Continental. This car is a timepiece created by Lincoln. It is beautiful, elegant. We have the new grille out front, which is absolutely gorgeous, bold, intimidating. This car comes with everything you could ever imagine. We have this beautiful LED lighting that illuminates when you hit your unlock button at night. That way it'll shine so you can see everything on the ground in front of you. Keeps you from walking on a snake if you live here in Louisiana. You have sensors here that will pay attention in case you start to come up on anything and don't want to hit it. It's going to sound. They send out radars to make sure you don't hit anything. If for any reason your key fob decides to go dead, you simply push the button here, pull out your key, and you stick it right here in this compartment. This will unlock your Continental. That way you can easily get inside and not worry about being locked out. You remove it and simply click it right back into your fob. Also too, you have what's called electronic door handles. You have your key in your hand, you simply push the button right there. It's gonna prep the door to open for you, and you go ahead and open it. Also too, when you're closing the door, let's say you don't close it all the way, you're worried about somebody trying to get in, it's going to finish shutting the door for you. Also too, we have our electronic keypad that illuminates to lock your door. All you have to do is press on the key to know that it's locked. Your mirrors will fold inward. The Lincoln comes with a 30-way adjustable seat, which is unique to the Lincoln brand. This car does not lack anywhere in luxury. You can adjust, that way your legs can stay comfortable during a trip. You can individually adjust them. Maybe you want one leg a little further than the other, and you can easily bring them back. This is the Continental Reserve, so it comes with very unique features. This vehicle will go from parking itself to showing you a 360-degree view of everything around you, which is great. You can change your camera settings to how you'd like to view it. And this shows you everything, and it's right up close and zoomed in on each side. You have an option to turn on and off your sensors for parking. That's an option as well. You have internal Wi-Fi that comes with Lincoln. It's also complimentary for 3 months. Also too, you can change your interior lighting with ambient lighting. Great features. You have the electronic door latch inside of the vehicle as well. From a press of a button, it'll go ahead and open the door for you. You have adaptable cruise control on the interior, a panoramic sunroof, and you have heated and cooled seats. My most favorite feature in here is that this vehicle has microphones throughout that listens to the powertrain noises. That way it can distort them for you and keeping the cabin nice and quiet inside. It works just like Bose surround sound audio. So if you're in the market for a 2018 Lincoln Continental, come and see us at Hixson Lincoln Alexandria.